Hello, the story I'm going to read you today is called Good Morning Digger. It is by Rockwell and it is illustrated by Melanie Greenberg. Looks like it might be about construction vehicles. Good morning, Digger, big and strong and yellow. Early this morning I heard you call. Grr clank, grr clank, grr clank. Oh. There's the digger. Flatbed brought you to the vacant lot that's full of weeds and broken glass. Flatbed backed and grunted some more, until you were safe on the ground. Vacant means empty, so look, there's empty land here. It says it's full of weeds and glass. That doesn't sound safe. But look, the flatbed truck is bringing the digger. And look, here's somebody watching out the window, and he has a little digger of his own. Now your big sharp teeth are digging and lifting some more. Grr clank, grr clank, grr clank, grr all day long. Look, it's lifting up the dirt and moving it. Digging up dirt and digging some more. Look, Mom, look at the hole that Digger dug. Oh, see that big hole? And look, there's people watching. And look, this person is taking away rocks in a wheelbarrow. What do you think they're going to do? Hello, dump truck. Rolly roll, rumble and rattle, says dump truck to Digger. Go on, Digger, keep on digging. Dump truck will carry away the dirt that you dug. So dig and dig until dump truck is full. So look, the digger's now putting all the extra dirt into the dump truck. Well, they will take it away. Well, this person's using what's called a jackhammer. That breaks up big rocks. Goodbye, dump truck. Carry away the mountain of dirt that Digger dug. Then come back to get some more. Rolly roll, rumble and rattle, says dump truck, rolling away. Look at all that dirt, and look, the hole's getting a lot bigger. I've got the safety fence up. And look, this is next to it. It looks like this might be a store. Maybe some people live up there. And then one day, Digger is done. All his helpers build walls of wood around the hole that Digger dug. They all got wood. Why do you think they're building the wall? Soon, cement mixer comes to help. Rumble, grumble, turn and turn, and wet gray cement pours into the hole that Digger dug. So there's a cement truck, and look, it's pouring in cement, which will harden and you use cement to make sidewalks and driveways and floors sometimes. I see these people are spreading it out, so it's nice and even. Oh, and look very closely. See, the people with the vests are construction workers, but these people, hard to see, they don't have vests on, but they have hard hats. They look like they're just regular people coming to watch, but they're still staying safe. Here's Flatbed again. This time, Tall Crane is riding high. Flatbed backs and grunts, then backs and grunts some more. Finally, Tall Crane is safe on the ground beside the hole that Digger dug that cement mixer turned into a floor. So look, there is the Tall Crane. I wonder what that crane will do. Tall Crane swings doors, windows, and parts of walls up into the air, up and over again. Digger's helpers in yellow hats stand on the girders to grab whatever Tall Crane swings their way. Digger's helpers keep busy climbing, clanging and banging, welding and hammering. Look, the tall crane helps to get the supplies up. See, look, they're building something. Window the tall crane is going. And these people here, it's called welding. It's when you take very, very hot fire that's in like a special container and you use it to melt the metal together to make it extra strong. Silver truck brings them good lunch to eat. Food truck. Look, they've all got their hats and their vests on still. They're taking a break. You gotta take a break for lunch. Then they're back at work again, climbing and clanging, welding and hammering until all the work is done. Look, they're hammering and this person's welding. They're making something. Then Flatbed takes Digger away to go and work in some other place. Goodbye, Digger, I say, and wave. Digger. Digger's job is done. Look what's happened to the hole that Digger dug. What did they make? Look, people are working on the roof, cleaning windows, planting trees. That person's painting something. Look at the rooms where I can dance and make music, paint pictures, or listen to stories. Look at the garden in the middle where we can plant flowers and grow corn on the cob. It's a community center. That's where people get together to learn and play and do fun things. Look, they're doing painting and dancing and music and gardening and reading. Oh, even dancing. Do you have a community center near you? Sometimes people might call them a recreation center. They have all kinds of things to help all kinds of people have fun and feel good. Now everyone is painting a picture on the wall of our brand new community center. I need yellow and lots more yellow. For I'm painting that very good morning when Digger came, calling grr clank, grr clank, grr clank, to dig the hole in the vacant lot that was next door. A picture of Digger. They're using a lot of yellow. How do you think he feels about his new community center? Oh, and look. What he calls Digger, the name for it is, you also might hear someone call it a backhoe, and a dump truck, a crane, a cement mixer, and a flatbed. Wow. I loved seeing what Digger was making. I hope you liked that story. I'll see you later.